I have a Samsung remote control here. I'm going to show you a quick, easy fix if it's on ghost mode, or power button's not working, or no other buttons are working, something's stuck. First, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we take the batteries out. We're going to start with the power button. We're going to hold it down for a minute. If there's two power buttons, as you see here, you're going to do the same thing. Hold it down for a minute, and then every single button after that, you're going to start pushing at least 10 times each. What happens is coffee builds up, Kool-Aid, can get sticky, body lotion, anything like that. After that, you're going to replace the batteries. Hopefully that'll work for you. If not, we're going to repeat the steps. So make sure you take the batteries back out. This time we're going to start with the power button, hold it down for a minute, and then I want you to start with that power button and then push that button. The 10 times simultaneously. Start with that power, go all the way down even to the color ones, every single button, and then put your batteries back in, and then hopefully that'll help you.